Safe tayo. Franklin.
Bawat sandali ay upang muli-muli ay mahalin ay ikaw. Thank you. Love you, Tatay Nico. Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Ayan, thank you, Ate Nines. Ayan, for the love of tatay again, guys. So, merong birthday cake. May nag-donate ng birthday cake for tatay. And we will be singing happy birthday for him very soon. No? We'll just another story to share from Ate Flor. Ate Flor. Mga nasa likod, guys, there's water here dito sa Pata. Kasi sinapay na sila ng shore na design na yung mga tour natin. So, Ate Joy will share a short message about Flor, sorry, Flor, Ate Flor. Ayan, Flor. I'll give the floor to Ate Flor. So, kumusta na kayo? Thank you so much for coming here.